that the finance bill passed. And any time now, it will become law. We in Azimio, we in ODM, fought it as much as we could at every stage. At the first reading, we fought it. At the second reading, we spoke against it. At the third reading, we voted 6 times against it. But they used their numbers to pass it. They used their numbers against the interest of the ordinary Kenyan, because they are using what they believe is a tyranny of numbers in the National Assembly. I told them then that Parliament exercises delegated authority under Article 1 of the Constitution. The ultimate authority lies with the people of Kenya. And as a delegatee of authority, if you abuse that authority, then the person who gave you that authority has the final say. It is not the end of the road yet. We still have 2 more options. The first option we have, and we are exploring it, is the option of testing the legality and the legitimacy of that finance bill in court. We are already in court, and the court will tell us whether that finance bill is legitimate and legal or not. So those who are celebrating, they better withhold their celebration. But beyond court, because the court also only exercises delegated authority from the people, the ultimate say lies with the people. And that is why yesterday our principals, through Her Excellency Martha Karua, announced that on Tuesday the 7th, we are going to Kamukunji grounds. We are going to consult the people of Kenya to tell us where to go and what to do. Currently, together with my brother, Senator Wambua, and 5 other colleagues, we are part of the bipartisan team. But when we realized that our colleagues on the other side were trying to take us in circles, we said we will not be taken in circles. We suspended that talk. We will only resume if the people tell us to resume. And we will only resume if the people of Kenya Kwanza are serious about talks. If they are not serious, we will not resume. But ultimately, hello? Yes. I heard Professor Kithure Kindiki lecturing us and telling us that whatever options you agree on, the option of Mandamano is out of the question. Who is he to tell us that? I was part of the team that wrote the Constitution of Kenya. And I want to tell Professor Kindiki that as a single individual, you do not have the authority to amend the Constitution without a referendum. We retain the ultimate right to exercise all the rights in the Constitution. If the people tell us it's Mandamano, so shall it be.